it is.
You are being asked to leave and or maybe arrested by the Houston Police Department and prosecuted for criminal trespassing.
If you do not leave, you will be arrested for trespassing. It's initiated by the owners of the property. We understand it's public. That's why we.
But this isn't the own. They're not the owners of the public. The public is the public. Right.
That's what the courts.
All right, that's fine. I'll take it that way.
Legality of it.
Right, I'll take care of it.
Is if they want to trespass you, they say, "Hey, officers, we're trespassing this guy."
So if somebody was here for paparazzi, again, I could be waiting for a celebrity to come through. I'm permitted by the TSA to record. I can show you their memo here. The TSA, which is a federal agency, TSA does not prohibit filming at the security checkpoint.
We're willing to press charges if you ain't leave.
So that's a yes, I'll be arrested if I don't leave?
If you do not leave, you will be arrested for trespassing.
Imagine standing in a taxpayer-funded airport and being given a choice: leave voluntarily or leave in handcuffs. We are in Houston, Texas, where 5 officers and an airport employee have decided that holding a camera is a criminal threat. Today, Long Island Audit exposes a massive failure in police training. They claim they can trespass him from a public space for no crime at all. Is the First Amendment dead in this airport? Make sure to subscribe to Long Island Audit. Link is in the description. Go tell him ID Refusal Central sent you. Watch closely, because the logic these officers use is absolutely terrifying.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are inside the airport. Let's take a look around.
Hey, sir, how's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Doing all right. Just a question for you. People thought it was weird that you're here walking around recording and stuff. We're just trying to find out what's going on.
Yeah, can I get your names and badge numbers?
Yeah, it's all right here.
Right here?
Yep.
Is it like R-I-G-H-T? W-R-I-G-H-T? Right.
What are you talking about?
Oh, I thought you said your name was right here. Oh, right there, like. Well, no, I'm just recording. That's it. That's it.
Okay. Is there any? I mean, are you got a flag or? Because the airport people are just, it's strange to them.
It's strange?
Yeah.
Why would it be strange?
People just walk around and just recording like that.
Well, why would it be strange? What makes it strange?
People are here just going and flying in and flying out.
Well, yeah, I mean, there's paparazzi that's trying to get celebrities. There's a whole list of reasons why somebody would be recording in an airport. I mean, I'm pretty sure people in LAX have cameras out all the time, right?
Well, yeah, but
right.
They're not walking around filming the officers and all the other stuff. They're filming people.
Well, I'm not filming officers in particular. And if they happen to be on the camera, they happen to be on the camera.
Right.
That's all.
That's what I was just trying to find out. That's all.
Right.
So, you know.
Are you stationed here? Like, are you? Okay. Well, I'm not a threat to anything here at all.
That's fine.
Okay.
No, just like I said, they have called. It just looked odd to them that you were doing that, and so.
Well, there's a million cameers in here. I mean.
No, I know, yeah. but they're just, to them, they thought it was odd, so they called us, and we got to come in just to ask them what's going on.
Right. No, well, I understand you got to ask.
Yeah,
I understand.
So
I understand. All right, take care. We got a call, so we need to ask what it is you're actually doing in the airport, taking pictures, because it's obviously suspicious to take pictures in an airport.
The officer explicitly states that taking pictures in an airport is obviously suspicious. However, the Supreme Court ruled in Terry versus Ohio that reasonable suspicion must be based on specific articulable facts connecting a person to criminal activity, not just a hunch or unusual behavior. Photography in public is a protected First Amendment activity, not a crime base.
Tell that to LAX. Tell that to paparazzi. I could be waiting for a celebrity to be coming out. And I know exactly, because this woman's been following me, I know exactly who told law enforcement. It was these 2 women over here. So right outside of the terminal, we have a Houston police vehicle.
why are you recording?
Who are you, sir?
We're airport operations.
Airport operations?
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm just recording. That's it.
Why is that? What's the purpose of you recording?
What's the purpose?
Yes, I'm just wondering.
Well, no, I'm just getting some shots of the airport.
Shots of the airport?
Right.
For what purpose?
For my purposes.
your purposes.
Right.
What do you mean by your purposes?
My purpose is
There's got to be a reason why you're recording.
right. I just told you.
What's the reason?
Yeah, my reason is my purposes. I just told you I'm taking some video of the airport, the police vehicle over there. I'm sure you saw me take video of the police vehicle, right?
Yeah, I'm just wondering why. For what? Do you work here? Are you flying out? Do you have a ticket?
Do I work here or am I flying out? No, I don't work here.
Are you flying out?
I'm working right now. No.
What do you mean you're working right now?
I just told you I'm taking some pictures and video for my purposes, for my work
This
purposes.
is your work purposes. Okay.
Right.
What do you work for?
I work for myself.
Media?
I work for myself. Yeah, I'm just taking some B-roll footage of the airport, wherever the publicly accessible areas take me.
For what?
The publicly accessible areas of the airport.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
Yeah, so I'm just getting a little layout of the airport, some B-roll footage.
Just in case you didn't know, can I record the whole TSA process?
Oh, I was already doing that already.
I'm just wondering. I'm just letting you know.
Oh,
In case
okay.
go
Do you
in
work
there
for TSA?
And start recording the TSA. You're not allowed to do that.
But I already,
See you do it?
I already
See you
did.
doing that? Okay.
I already did though.
Okay.
I came out here after I did that.
Okay.
The whole process from, you know how you guys got like the, it's like an area up top where you can see everything from behind, all the TSA process.
Gotcha.
That's what I did already, yeah.
Okay.
But I appreciate the heads up though.
You can go in through over there. I think they already told you about that, didn't they? It's just that's only an exit for
Told me
that
about
side. It's not an entrance.
What
you can be
what
around this
what are
area.
you talking about?
Oh, so there's an open door over here, right?
Where?
It's right here on the left. You see the sign? Do not?
The big red sign that says do not enter?
Yeah, so apparently one of the TSA, well, they told me that you were trying to go there. I mean, you can stay out here, but you just can't be going back there. There's only an exit for the guys that are over there.
Officer, with all due respect, I could read. It's bright. It's red. It
Yeah,
says
yeah.
do not. I did not enter there at all.
No. They didn't say you go in, but that you got close.
I was just reading because there was a sign over there because I
Yeah.
wanted to read the sign, see what it said. That's
Yeah,
all.
yeah,
And
no.
I think it says that like CCTV is monitoring you and it'll set off an alarm if you do. So
Yeah.
no, that's not my intention, man. I'm not doing that.
Yeah, it's all good, man. It's just, you can be out here, but just, the TSA.
Yeah, no, but I mean, the TSA, it's funny because they have a memo on their website that says you're allowed to record security checkpoint, any of the publicly accessible areas, like a memo on their website. So I don't know if they're familiar with that memo or not, but it's on their website, tsa.gov. So again, I'm not trying to.
Yeah.
This is a crucial moment where knowledge becomes a shield. The auditor cites the actual TSA management directive, which permits filming at checkpoints as long as it doesn't interfere with screening. When a citizen knows the specific regulations better than the enforcers, the dynamic of power shifts instantly.
Yeah, I get you, man. They're just very, like, they don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
Guys are filming.
Yeah.
I mean, you're not wrong. This is a public area. You can film. There are cameras everywhere. Everything's filming, including my camera.
Right.
It's just try to be mindful about the areas that you can.
Right.
Yeah.
Listen, I can read. I'm not going to go into a restricted
Yeah.
area. I don't want to go to jail. So trust
you
me.
won't do. It's just, I think of because they can issue trespassing. So if they continue to see you get close, right? They'll try to get the airport employees. It's HAS. They'll try to contact them and they'll try to give you a verbal trespassing.
I mean,
Yeah,
they could try.
I know.
They could try. I mean, I have a right to be here like anybody else.
Yeah, it is
I'm not
totally
breaking any laws.
I know. Yeah.
He talked to me outside. Yeah. We're watching the education.
We're down too much. Go to the subway.
We're watching the education in real time. He said this is a public airport.
Hold on. I already talked to you earlier.
Yeah, we had a discussion.
I
Yeah.
talked to my supervisor. He's asking me to let you know that we need you to leave the premises if you have no further businesses. Like
Okay.
if you're not flying out or nothing.
Okay. This is. I have every right to be here, so I'm gonna stay here until an officer tells me that I'm breaking the law.
So now that he's telling you, because he's with HAS, now that he's telling you,
I'd like to request a supervisor at this time. Speak to a supervisor from law enforcement. Because I have every right to be here. I'm not breaking any laws.
no, you are correct. You are correct. But the thing
This is a public airport. It's funded by taxpayers.
Yeah, no, you are correct. But
Do you work for the government?
We work for the city of Houston.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
We, as airport representatives, are asking you to
What's your basis for asking me to leave?
if you don't have no.
Well, my
businesses,
business is here. I told you that already. We talked outside.
And what was your business? Again?
I told you it's my business.
Okay.
So I'll request a supervisor at that point then. I knew this guy was going to be a problem. He wants to be a cop so bad. He wants to be a law enforcement officer. He wants to be a tyrant so bad. So you don't like cameras or something, man? Like you just don't like cameras? Like,
You already requested for a supervisor. You can talk to the supervisor.
okay. I mean, you're the one that made it the big deal, so I'm just asking, do you not like cameras? I don't get it. No one else made it a big deal but you. No one else. Officer, you got one of your supervisors coming?
yeah, I have an additional officer. He's the one that kind of has a limit to the supervisor.
Okay. Yeah, I would like to, I really don't care about his supervisor. I just want to talk to a law enforcement supervisor, if you don't mind. There's probably a bunch of people waiting out there to be told to move along, right? In their cars. Probably disrupting operations. You know what I mean? Like if paparazzi was here or something waiting for a celebrity to come out and they were taking video, no one would say anything. I've been polite and cordial to everybody I've come in contact with.
I know. I understand.
I'm not raising my voice, I'm not cursing, I don't know.
I don't know. I mean, you're.
I know. And they're all, you could get the footage from them. I can get your footage, I can get the footage. It's all public records. I don't get it.
It's not. I guess on this side they don't really see this too often.
Right, which is understandable. I could understand that, but I mean, like I said, maybe LAX would be a little bit different because they probably have
they probably have
a bunch of
all the celebrities.
Yeah, all the celebrities going over there. But you never know. There could be one here. Could be one I'm waiting for here.
Yeah. I did tell them that. I guess it's not.
But again, and again, the TSA, their own. I can show it to you too. Their own website. They say specifically because he said you can record. When I talked to this guy outside, he was like, "You can record everything. You can't record the TSA." And but again, I do my research.
Okay, so what's going on?
No, I mean he's just filming around.
Yes,
Okay, so he's just filming.
Is HAS on the way, or are they already talked to him? Oh, he was here.
HAS was right here. Yeah.
Okay, so
So
Hey, how are you, sir?
yeah, he was just filming around this area, this public area.
are they called again for the same thing?
Yeah. The lady over there, she did tell me that he got closed. He didn't pass, but he just got closed. And well, they retold me again, hey, he got closed. Can you go talk to him again? So I was like, all right.
Well, I was just reading the sign, sir. That's all I was doing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
They just call us. We don't know what's going on. We ain't here to
No.
feed your rights or anything.
No. I'm sure you're not. But like I said, it just one of the airport operations guy. He's like, you can't film security checkpoint, and there's actually a memo on their website, tsa.gov, that says that's no issue recording them. So
I know
again,
you ran into the different people. You have every right to defend.
Yeah.
They call. We just got to check out.
I know, I get it, sir. No, I get it, sir. I get 100%. Like I said,
Well, that's on them. So let me see what they talking about.
So I just talked to him. He said that.
how you doing today, sir? Good. How are you? Good.
Oh, we gotta get to that stage first. So, still refusing our.
I mean, this is.
We already have.
I mean, they can do it.
Well, only because, sir, if I can clarify, only because like they have no legal authority. You guys are the ones that have the legal authority here. They don't have any legal authority. I'm in a public space. If you tell me you're going to arrest me if I don't leave, I will leave. If you give me an order to leave, which I would consider an unlawful order, and I can handle it in the court system. But I want to make it clear, if you tell me I'm ordering to you leave or you're going to get arrested, I will leave, and then I'll take it up with your superiors and the court, and I'll handle it that way.
The only way we can tell you that is if they are willing to prosecute for trespassing.
Right.
They only can say, hey, we want you to leave or you'll be trespassing.
So you can trespass people from public?
No, they do. Once they give the word, then we are legally obligated to say, hey, we give you opportunity to leave. Then if you don't leave after they have trespassed you, then we can arrest you if you refuse to leave after them.
But this is public, sir.
I understand what I'm saying. It's initiated by the owners of the property. We understand it's public. That's why we.
But this isn't the owner. They're not the owners of the public. The public is the public. Right.
That's what the courts.
All right, that's fine. I'll take it that way.
Legality of it.
Right, I'll take care of it.
Is if they want to trespass you, they say, "Hey, officers, we're trespassing this guy."
So if somebody was here for paparazzi, again, I could be waiting for a celebrity to come through. I'm permitted by the TSA to record. I can show you their memo here. The TSA, which is a federal agency, TSA does not prohibit filming at the security checkpoint.
The officer claims they are enforcing the will of the property owners, treating the airport like a private mall. But Sean correctly argues this is taxpayer-funded property. While airports are considered non-public forums or limited public forums, the government cannot arbitrarily trespass someone simply for exercising First Amendment rights without a legitimate conduct violation.
I get that.
I have a First Amendment right to film in public.
I get that. And that's why I was telling you have every right. But
I don't. If you're going to tell me I have to leave, though.
Okay, I'm trying to.
I hear you.
I'm trying to tell you the steps. If they say they want you to leave and they're willing to press charges on you for trespassing, we are obligated by the state of Texas to give you a warning, let you know, hey, you can leave or we'll arrest you for trespassing. It'll be your choice after they say they're willing to prosecute for trespassing.
Right, okay.
Watch how the police attempt to wash their hands of liability. They claim they are only the messengers for airport operations. This is a common tactic to bypass the Constitution, using a bureaucratic rule to issue a criminal trespass warning under Texas Penal Code 30.05, effectively punishing free speech under the guise of property management.
You know what I'm saying?
Not really. It's public.
Okay, that's what
if I was in a park, who would?
You don't have to agree with it. You can always tell.
Yeah, no,
I'm
right.
just trying to tell you how it works with us.
Okay.
So
Now,
after
listen.
they initiate the trespassing, then we'll say, hey, they're willing to press charges on you for trespassing. Do you want to stay? Or you want to go? You like, oh no, I want to challenge this. Okay, we're gonna arrest you, and then you just take it up.
No, I don't need to be arrested to challenge it. The threat of the
Well,
threat
that's
of
on them. That's what I'm
trespass.
saying. We just got to enforce what the private. This is their property, even though it's public. It's their property.
It's not their property.
Okay. All right.
It's not. It's like if I was in a public park. If I was in City Hall.
Okay.
You think City Hall could just be like, I'm going to tell you to leave because I don't like that you're here? They haven't told you anything that I'm doing that is breaking the law. Everything that I'm doing is not only constitutionally protected, it's permitted by the TSA.
And that's what you'll tell the judge. We would only do our job.
Well, listen, I want to make it clear. It's not going to be a criminal judge. It'll be a civil judge, not a criminal judge. I will. The minute you tell me if you don't leave, I'm going to place you in cuffs. I'm going to leave on a threat of arrest.
That's after HAS make that distinguishment of whether or not you want you to stay or leave. They will be willing to press charges. So that's what we're looking at right now. I understand what you're going at, but.
Yeah, I mean, other thing I say is like, you give the example of a park. Well, this is a business, right? They're representing the business.
What business?
It's airport. They're here to make money. They're buying tickets. They're flying in and out.
Right. There's multiple businesses here. This is funded by taxpayers. The building is funded by taxpayers.
To some extent, I'm sure it is.
It is.
But
it just is.
They represent the people in charge. If you're not here to do anything,
I'm just saying, I film. I mean, not if I'm not breaking any law, sir. I've filmed in airports across. I've filmed in airports across the country. I've never had an issue. Never once was I told. It's taxpayer-funded public property. I have every right to be here like anybody else. And like I said,
refuse your service, they can do that.
but you can't. They're not the business here. The businesses are United,
They represent,
Delta.
HAS represents United, Delta, and everybody in this airport.
This is taxpayer funded, sir. My taxes, your tax, everybody's taxes goes to funding this place.
That's irrelevant for this part.
All right. Well, I mean, I guess that's what the court will see, right?
It's up to them. If they're good with it, then we're good with it.
I mean, if you listen, I mean, you're literally going to cost your department a lawsuit for no reason, like
So
for no
Cross
reason.
that bridge when it happens. You know?
All right.
Hopefully,
I mean, I would like to. I
don't think it'll be needed.
Is there like a supervisor here? Can I request a supervisor per your policy? I'd like to speak to a supervisor, please. I already requested it to the officer over here about 20 minutes ago. So per policy, I'd like to request a supervisor, please.
We need their supervisor.
No. I'm requesting your supervisor, please.
Well, do we have supervisors that come now?
yeah, we do.
Yeah, it's per policy, right? I'm requesting a supervisor.
Well, it depends on what it is, but we can contact the supervisor and let them know what's going on.
I appreciate that, sir. Thank
Does
you.
anyone know?
No.
Foster 512. Dancer, sir?
Yes.
Dancer 815. Lanes 10932. Your badge is very clean compared to everybody else's. Very new.
I just got a new one.
Oh, okay, gotcha. De Leon, Salazar. Well, we need better training in police departments on First Amendment stuff, man. I do trainings at police departments, so let your boss know. I'll come out and do it for free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 law enforcement officers for a man with a camera. So this individual said that if I'm refusing to answer questions, they can tell me to leave. If I'm not picking somebody up, what is wrong with this country? So I have to answer questions by airport operations, not even law enforcement, just airport operations. Law enforcement has no issue, TSA has no issue, but yet airport operations does. Did you speak to the supervisor?
I did. He said there's no need for him to come out. He said if they have not trespassed you, then he don't need to speak to you. He said if they do trespass you and we give you an opportunity to leave and you refuse to leave, then we'll go ahead and cross that and I'll know. But he said he's not. But I did contact the supervisor.
Trespassing in a public airport. I have every right to be here. It's ridiculous. Again, I just to make it clear, I'm requesting a supervisor per your policy, the Houston Police Department policy.
I talked to the supervisor.
I'm requesting one. Okay, I'm requesting one.
For this situation, he's not coming. Because right now you haven't been officially trespassed. Once they officially trespass,
They're going to.
Okay.
You know that. So why can't you call them back and let them know that they're
But it
doing
hasn't
that?
happened yet.
Because you could save your department a lawsuit. It's
Hey, you have the right to do whatever.
it doesn't need to go that way, sir. It doesn't need to go that
if
way.
you got time to be here and doing what you're doing, obviously you got time to try to do this. We know what you're doing. I'm not going to, it's not that serious for you. It's a job.
It's my job too.
Exactly.
Your job is to uphold my rights. That's your number one job.
All right. Do you see me oppressing you? And
Well, you're about to. We'll see.
You're choosing
No,
to
we'll
be
see.
here right now.
We'll see. Yeah, because I have a right to be here.
This is what you do for
Because I have a right to be here, sir. I have a right.
And that's why you're still here.
I have a right to be here.
It'll be determined depending on how it goes.
All right. I mean, whatever. If you want to, if that's the route you're gonna go, we handle it that way. It's fine.
Okay.
What's the station that you guys work out of here?
This is Bush Airport, the IH.
But I'm saying if I wanted to go to the actual station, where's that?
Would it be closest station?
Yes, yeah, that's the closest station. Because there's no public access to our actual station here at the airport.
Yeah, right. I understand. That's what I'm saying. Whichever one governs or is associated with this. Any station? Okay.
Yeah?
Any HPD station.
Okay.
Oh, sir, are you in possession of a valid airline ticket for same-day travel and a valid government-issued identification? Okay. No. You are hereby advised by an authorized representative of the Houston Airport System that you are not permitted to return to this property without a valid airline ticket for same-day travel and an identification. You are being asked to leave and or may be arrested by the Houston Police Department and prosecuted for criminal trespassing for violating Texas Penal Code Section 30.005A1A. This trespass notification cannot be revoked by any means other than a written authorization to enter the property by the airport operations chief. Do you understand this trespass? Do we have an ID on this gentleman or no?
No, it depends on whether or not he'll leave or not. We'll get that information. Finish? Okay. You've been trespassing. You have an opportunity to leave. You refuse to do so, or you'd like to leave right now?
Will I be arrested if I don't leave?
According to them, they're willing to press charges. They're willing to press charges if you ain't leave.
So that's a yes, I'll be arrested if I don't leave?
If you do not leave, you will be arrested for trespassing.
This is the point of no return. The official trespass warning is read. Sean now faces a critical decision: stay and be arrested to fight it in criminal court, or leave and fight it in civil court. He chooses the smarter path, preserving his freedom to file a lawsuit later, proving that knowing when to de-escalate is just as important as knowing your rights. Freedom is not something you ask for, but something you exercise. So subscribe to ID Refusal channel today to turn legal knowledge into your most powerful weapon against authority overreach.